drinking on the Danube, like a dream upon the waves. Smoke was rising from the campfire as the daylight slipped away. The river carried all the silence far beyond the fading light. Stars were dancing on the water through the quiet summer night. Morning whispered through the willow, golden colors in the sky. A little bird beside the shoreline watched another day arrive. The beaver crossed the quiet river, leaving circles in its wake. Everything felt slow and endless as a sleeping world awake.